Hi there, and welcome to another chaotic classroom clip. This clip is aimed at grade 10 learners studying the CAP syllabus, and we are specifically going to focus on the difference between the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Now I'm going to color the skeleton into two colors. These two colors will represent the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. First up, we're going to make the axial skeleton yellow. Now I'm going to color these things in as we go along. So first up we have the skull. The skull is the entire head part. Then we also have the vertebral column. Now remember, the vertebral column is the entire spinal column. Now you can't see the whole one on the screen over here because some of it is hidden behind the breastbone over there. But also remember, the vertebral column goes all the way down to the coccyx down at the bottom. And next up we've got the sternum. Now the sternum is the breastbone at the front, and then we've got the rib cage. Now the rib cage connects the vertebral column at the back to the sternum in the front. And that is your axial skeleton. So next up we're going to look at our appendicular skeleton, and this one we're going to color in blue. First we're going to start with our shoulder girdle. Now the shoulder girdle has got the clavicle in front and the scapula at the back. Remember, your biology teacher is going to refer the proper biological terms, not things like collarbone and shoulder blade, but rather the scapula and the clavicle. It's also going to have your upper limb, so the entire upper arm from start to finish, so from the shoulder all the way down to your phalanges, which is your fingers. And then it's going to have your pelvic girdle. And your pelvic girdle is the entire ilium, ischium and pubis. But have a look at the picture now. It's very important to see that that back part where the sacrum and the coccyx is not part of the appendicular skeleton. That is part of the axial skeleton. And then of course your lower limbs. I hope this helps. Thank you for visiting the Chaotic Classroom.